how to see TikTok videos from another region or country. So if you want to see TikTok videos from another region or another country, then first of all, open up your TikTok application, and then you can go for profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right corner, which has that three-barred icon, and go for settings and privacy. And here you can simply go for languages under your content and display, and then you can choose preferred language, and here you can choose any language that you would like. So here it says that select the languages you understand, so that they will use this to improve your experience. So select the language in which you would like to view the TikTok messages on your For You page, and then tap on done, which is on the upper right. So now TikTok will recommend you the videos from that particular country or that language. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.